It's skills 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Bob, and I'm going to be doing some Diablo skills, and I'm going to be doing how to coffee grinder. Right, so you get lots of speed. Sorry, just had to do that. And then dark side. Watch that dark side tutorial. If you don't, you should end up like that. And you're going to wrap this one over and put it inside as if you're going to do a cat's cradle. Alright, so get it going really fast. Dark side, put it over, put it in as far as you can, and then make sure diagonally goes over the stick. So it's like a stick orbit in a way, might call it that. And then you cradle out, because it's in the position to. You could do other things out, I'm not too sure about other things, but I'll show you another one I know. And throw it in there. Anyway, this is skills I want to for comment, rate, subscribe. Oh, see you later.